Less than 1 week since the Galaxy S11 and Galaxy S11e designs were revealed completely, the reliable tipster OnLeaks is back again with a new set of renders that show what's the claim to be the final design of Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S11 Plus. This year has seen manufacturers adopt very different approaches when it comes to smartphone camera modules. Brands such as Huawei have adopted more acceptable layouts like the P30 Pro's vertical layout or the Mate 30 Pro's circular module, while the likes of Apple and Google have been heavily criticized for their square-shaped implementations. Samsung has remained on the more acceptable side of things throughout all of this. Although last week's Galaxy S11 and S11e leaks did suggest the South Korean giant was preparing something more unique for 2020. However, today's CAD-based Galaxy S11 Plus renders reveal the company has been developing what's perhaps the most controversial rear camera module yet. From what can be gathered, the Galaxy S11 Plus appears to include a whopping 5 rear cameras, an LED flash, and 2 other tiny sensors. One of these might instead be a laser autofocus, but the other remains a total mystery at this stage. We are still months away from the arrival of Galaxy S11, but it's already shaping up to be one of Samsung's most interesting flagships yet. As per unsurprising rumors, the Galaxy S11 lineup will debut in mid to late February, suggesting a pre-MWC launch is likely on the cards. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more latest tech videos.